If your Bluetooth device is not working properly on OPPO Reno 15, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings and we're gonna go to Bluetooth settings. We want to turn off Bluetooth and turn off our Bluetooth device. Then we're gonna turn Bluetooth back on and turn on your Bluetooth device again. And if you have been connected to your Bluetooth device before, then there is a chance that your Bluetooth device will be automatically connected on your phone. If that is not what happened, if it doesn't work like that, then you want to go to the settings of the Bluetooth device and you want to completely unpair the device. Then we're gonna turn off our Bluetooth device again and turn it back on, and then use the pairing mode if you have on your Bluetooth device. If not, then make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to anything else, and then you should be able to find your Bluetooth device on this list of available devices. Remember that you can also use this refresh button in case you want to refresh the list, and then once you find your Bluetooth device, you should be able to pair it quite easily. In case it still doesn't work, you might want to perform a hard reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your device, but you can try to find the user manual of your Bluetooth device, for example, and search for like factory reset method or something like that. And you should be able to do so. Once you do that, and once you perform factory reset of your Bluetooth device, you can try to pair your Bluetooth device again. I don't think there are any additional settings that can interrupt the phone and make the connection unsuccessful or anything like that. So another thing that we can do is we can go back to the main page of settings and scroll down to system and update. Then in here we're gonna go to backup and reset, then reset phone, and then we have reset network and Bluetooth settings. In here we're gonna reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Unfortunately, you cannot separate it, so if you decide to reset, then you will not only erase Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth devices, but also, for example, Bluetooth networks also will be removed from your phone, so remember about that. But if you do so, you just want to go back to Bluetooth settings and try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And also a simple restart of the phone can be quite helpful as well, so you can do that and give it a try. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.